Full stop. Can't believe I live in your thoughts. I think about you all the time, morning, evening, and midnight. Such a wonderful delight. Forgo, give up everything that I own. Yeah, I'd give it all up now just to be with you somehow. Unexpected love was found. You're the rose in a garden, and it shows if I'm honest. You're the leaves in mid-August, and I've come out here to say you in my arms, won't let go. The world around could pass us by, a thunderstorm, a lightning strike, as we hold each other tight. You're the rose in a garden.
Well, hello you guys, I hope you're having such a good day. We just got into our beautiful refurbished room here at the Contemporary Bailey Tower, and it is so pretty. We have so much to talk about, but I think we're gonna go ahead and start off with our room tour first, because this room is stunning, and we're gonna be some of the first that are gonna get into these rooms, and they're so cool. This was not a resort that I was like super excited about, but this is definitely turning into probably one of my top 5 resorts. Right when you walk in, you have this nice little entryway, which I think is a really nice feature because especially coming off a ship, having this extra space is so nice. And then this is an adjoining room. This is how they do the bathrooms. It's a little bit different. It's all gonna be in one, which I think is still really nice. A ton of counter space, some great Disney products, a really nice mirror. And then has your hair dryer and then some towels and then tissues. Here's your toilet, really nice shower. And my thing I always look for is a good shower head. This has a nice one. So this has the rain shower head and then also that like detachable handle, which is great for kids. This stone is absolutely beautiful. I feel like I want this in my bathroom. It is gorgeous. And then of course has the nice tub with the glass doors. Coming out of here, we have a closet. I'm gonna show you this next because it's gorgeous. This is gonna be the storage closet that has the extra linens, steamer, ironing board, your luggage holder, and then your safe. This is the coolest little space. I feel like I'm in Manhattan. Something in this city is what this little galley area reminds me of. Beautiful countertops. It has a sink, and this is way more space that you normally get in these kitchenettes. It still has the nice glass cups and drinkware, and then it has a microwave. It also has some paper plates and paper cups along with your toaster. And it also has this big storage pantry. I wish we were staying here longer than a night because look at all of this storage. We are always one to bring snacks, and this is so nice. And then it has a really good sized fridge. This is just like our fridge at home, and this is a nice deep fridge. It has some drawers in here with some utensils, can opener, bottle opener, more dishware for cleaning, more storage underneath here. Your trash and that is here. A really nice coffee maker, more storage, has your coffees and teas here. And then I love this art. This is very much reminds me of Steakhouse 71 with all of this art here. But look at Roy. I love Roy. I think he's kind of a hidden gem at Disney. And then here he is again when they were creating Walt Disney World. And this is, I'm sure, specific to these resorts. It has something to do with this, building this resort, but it's absolutely beautiful. And then look at this room. Is this not stunning? I love all of this counter space. It has a little vanity space here. This room is stunning, like absolutely stunning. And then a queen size bed, more outlets, It has even this C outlets over there and USBs, which I think is great. And then this Murphy bed comes down. You'll have to push this out of the way, but that whole bed comes down and it's another queen size bed. And then another sitting area here. It has a ton of storage in here. This is a great room. If you guys are coming for a long period of time, I think you can still be very comfortable in this room. There's a whole nother set of drawers in that over there. I love all this counter space, the big TV. And then let's go outside and take a look. We did also get a preferred view, and this is a stunning view. Stunning. This is not even a theme park view. This is just a preferred view. And it is really pretty. Look at the paths through here and the water. This is absolutely stunning. Also too, this balcony is huge. I'm very thankful that we don't have to rush out of here today and tomorrow. We have actually a good amount of time that we get to enjoy this, because this is absolutely stunning. Oh, I just love it here. We're just finishing up getting packed up here, and I am trying on some of my new stuff that I got at Disney Springs today. I feel like I went and did a good bit of shopping of Disney merch, but then also non-Disney merch. I stopped at the Lululemon store and I picked this up. I'm just wearing some bike shorts with it today, and it is so comfortable. I'm highly considering wearing it to the party. I think it's a little warm for while the sun is up, but I think definitely tonight I'm gonna still wear that pink sweatshirt that I got last night on the cruise, or that I wore last night on the cruise. But this is so comfortable. I also love the color and the collar on these, but you can kind of see, like, she's just comfy casual. And then also too, I just did a short so I could show you guys everything, but I picked up this and it's super cute. It runs really oversized, but you can see, like, I'm wearing a sweatshirt and this jacket, and it's adorable. It has like a high-low finish on it. I just think it's so cute. And I think it's a cute, like, Southern style jacket. And the sleeves are big, which I think are really fun. It has a hood. It's probably last year's. I don't really care. It was a good jacket. And it's not super heavy, but it's going to block it. And then it's also going to protect from the rain. I'm not a big Lululemon person, but they got me today. They definitely got me today. And then at the Disney store at World of Disney, oh, I also went to Javiana's, and Javiana's was having a sale, and I'm like, I'm just gonna see if they have the square-toed sandals. They had them, and two, they had it. The sandals were buy one, get one 50% off, so these were a little cheaper. And so I got these for Jason. They're just like the basics, but I figured by the pool everyday sandal, I then got these for $10, right? Yeah, they were normally $20. I got them for 10 bucks. So that was really good. And then, do you guys remember seeing this at the, do you guys remember seeing this edition for fall? They had it for Christmas, and I love the color. I love the color. It's such a cozy green, and we will be decorating being like comfy cozy at home in this sweatshirt, so I had to get it. But then I was good with everything else. Listen, I was gonna buy ears. I had a lot of things in my basket that I did not end up getting. And then I was on the phone with my mom the other day, and I had sent her pictures of us at Disney and that, and some of the different merchandise shops of just seeing if there's anything she'd like. And she saw the advent calendar. She's like, you snagged those advent calendars, right? And I'm like, no. So essentially with the discount of the sweatshirt, I got these for like $5. So that was really good. But it's the little like advent chocolate calendars for the kids. So I thought that would be really nice. So here's what we're doing. I need to finish cleaning up. We have all the suitcases like prepped, ready to go. We're checked into our flights tomorrow, which, full transparency, we're a little stressed over because Bush Intercontinental, which is where we fly in and out of, is considering shutting down tomorrow because we're still in the shutdown and they don't have enough people working the airport. So I'm a little concerned getting home. We're looking at maybe renting a car. We're trying to just see what happens, and hopefully the airport will stay open, or at least let the incoming flights come in, since that's so maybe airline heavy employees and not as much airport employee. I don't know. I have no idea. We're going through this together. So we're trying to figure that out. We have dinner reservations here in the next like half hour, 45 minutes at Steakhouse 71. Here's the thing, I don't know if I'm getting a steak. We have had so much steak on the cruise that I'm honestly considering getting French onion soup and the Caesar salad. Maybe one more appetizer. Just a snacky snack situation, because we're gonna have more snacks at the parks. We have all the good things at the parties tonight. And then two, I wouldn't mind a spring roll. I wouldn't mind a Magic Kingdom spring roll. So that's what we might do. But I think I'm gonna go get changed. I'm just gonna put the shirt on that I was wearing earlier, and then I'm gonna bring the sweatshirts and then my Disney flip-flops that I wear all the time from Amazon because they are so comfortable. But then we're gonna get ready to head, we're gonna walk to Magic Kingdom. We're able to get in at 4 o'clock, which has already gone and passed. And then the party's from 7 to midnight. So we'll get there a little bit before the party starts and then stay until midnight. And then our flight's not till like 3:40. I almost said 3:40. It's really no 3:40. And so we'll get to sleep in a little bit tomorrow because checkout's not till 11 o'clock. So it's going to be a really good day. I hope you guys are doing well. And hello, how is your day? I hope everything is going well for you guys. If you guys are new, welcome, subscribe. I'm a little chatty and I'm a little chaotic at times. But I hope you guys will subscribe and you guys are maybe catching up with all of the Disney Wish vlogs and then all of our other... This has been resort heavy vlogs because we've gone to so many different resorts. This is our 3rd resort in a week, plus then a Disney Wish. It's been all over the place, but we've had so much fun. And it's been very chill. I feel like this has been the most fun, and we're getting a little sprinkle of parks in there too. It's been really good, but you can tell I haven't talked to you all day. But I'm gonna go ahead and get changed, walk to dinner, and then head to Magic Kingdom. I hope you're having a good day. It is the next day. We had so much fun at the Halloween party yesterday. I wanted to just pop in and check in with you guys because I forgot to end the vlog last night. But we had the best time.
I really enjoyed the party, but I have really forgotten of how many more people are at like a Boo Bash, at a Mickey's Not So Scary, even the Christmas parties. I forget how many more people there are compared to those after hours parties. The after hours parties, I really do feel, are a hidden gem because there is a fraction of the amount of people that are even at the Not So Scary Halloween parties. Maybe having the proper expectations in the sense of there's gonna be a lot of people, so in the lines and in the treat trails and in the shops and all the different locations, I think it's gonna be hard to go and do all of the treat trails because there are lines, decent lines for those. They are continuously moving and they go fairly fast, but it still takes away time, and then getting through the crowds and then all of the shows and then all of the rides. There's just no way to do it all, even if you go early. But it is so much fun. I really, really do love them. Our dinner last night was so good. We had Steakhouse 71, as you guys saw, and I ended up getting the filet and the French onion, or not the filet, the prime rib. I had never gotten the prime rib there. I always get the filet, and it was actually really good. And then I had the au gratin potatoes. They did change up the sauce flights though. Some of the recipes in that have changed. So I don't recommend getting the sauce flight anymore. I mean, for a couple bucks, I mean, it's like $6 or $8 to try them all. So it's not that, much of a, if you don't like them, you're wasting a bunch of money. But the only one I really like now is the creamy horseradish, which of course I had with the prime rib. But then also the red wine. The red wine sauce is really good, but like the peppercorn one, didn't really like. The béarnaise, I don't really like anymore. I feel like they've all kind of modified a little bit, so they're just not as enjoyable. And then also too, the kids got their entrees in that too, and I had them not get the sundaes because I thought at the Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween party, it's always been for us to where it's like free popcorn and ice cream and waters and all of that all night. You got none of that. So the only complimentary thing that you're getting is going to be that candy. So that was a huge letdown, but that was on us because we didn't check that. I just always assumed. So just as a mental note, as just a modification to what I said earlier, is that you're gonna have all these free Mickey bars and ice cream and pop and soda and popcorn. You don't get any of that. All of that is an additional price. So just food for thought. I was able to get an ornament and I was able to get a pin for the event, so I'm super happy about that. The pricing for both of those were pretty standard for ornaments and pins. I'll have to show you guys in the haul video because I've already packed it away because we are leaving today. But all in all, it was a really, really nice night. We enjoyed our dinner. We enjoyed the night. We had fun. The shows were really great. I really wanted to do the parade too, but the people, it's too much. It's just too much when you're doing 2 shows and then you try and make it to a third. You just got to pick your battles of what's worth it. So we went on Seven Dwarfs Mine Train. I didn't film it. I didn't do anything. I just soaked up that moment with the kids and I absolutely loved it. But I'm going to leave you guys here. I will see you guys when I get home. We will be doing a Walt Disney World haul, and then I will also collide this entire series into one video, and then I will probably also do the cruise into one video. I don't really know how I'm going to do that yet. If I'm going to do it 2 separate ways of this entire trip into one video, and then in addition to that, doing just the cruise vlogs into one long video. Let me know in the comments down below. Would you like both? Would you like it to where it's just Walt Disney World into one and then Disney Cruise into another one? Let me know, because I know a lot those get watched, sometimes more, typically more than even each individual videos do. So let me know in the comments down below. I'm happy to do it a couple different ways, and I can even do it to where it's like we have all 3 videos come out one day, or we can have it, if we do it in 2 videos, I can have them come out, 2 days like back to back. I'm happy to do whatever you guys would like. But thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed today's video, do me a favor and give it a big thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate it. Hit that subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.